Alright. So this unit here has a coil. The discharge of the compressor is right here. And what they do with that is they run that line over here in this coil so that as the water from the evaporator coil drains out, it can drain into this pan, and then the heat from this actually evaporates the refrigerant. But unfortunately this unit was not cooling anymore. Checked the refrigerant level here and it was low, so now we're going to, well, we proceeded to leak check and we found a leak here on this coil. See that leak? So unfortunately it's corroded through. Looks like this is 5/16 inch line. So I'm thinking what we'll do is we'll actually cut this out. We'll make our own little coil. Might just make it longer and then get it brazed back in there. We could eliminate this entirely, but then of course there's a possibility that they would have to run a separate hose. And there is a drain actually right down there, so maybe that's a better idea, is to just stick a chunk of tubing on there, get it down to that drain down there, and then we can just eliminate this piece entirely. So there's the new one all brazed in. We left a little bit of space between the tubes so that it actually doesn't rub very easily. The gentleman who runs this shop here said that he preferred that we just replace it rather than run a tube down to the drain there. So that's what we did. And there should be enough surface area to evaporate any moisture that accumulates. And yeah, we're gonna pull a vacuum on it now and then charge it back up. Pulling a vacuum on the system right now, but I added some silicone here, siliconed it to the pan. What that does is it completely stops it. Any vibration is going to get eaten up by the bit of silicone there, and it's going to prevent it from rubbing through. You can see the old one was actually rubbing the pan pretty badly. Only disadvantage is that you can't really get this out of here since it's silicone to the pan, and also it's a little bit less surface area, but usually these are so hot that the water evaporates no matter what, and you don't have any trouble, so should be fine.